Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle McVeigh. Today I wanted to talk with you about this 2026 250 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. Come on aboard and we'll look it over. A few of the awesome things about this boat. One of them is this gorgeous T-top. Really sturdy, protects you from the elements, gives you some rocket launchers for your rods. The other thing that's really cool is this gorgeous helm that we have. Dual Simrad screens. We've got the VHF radio on there as well. And it's got this really cool double leaning post. Really nice stainless wheel. Really feel like the captain here. Another really cool thing about this boat is it's not just set up for fishing. Got lots of padded seating here in the front. You've got padded seating here with backrests that raise up so you can be comfortable while you're cruising across the water. But all those pads come off so you can have textured floor so you can walk around and cast as needed to catch those fish. As in the front, at the back of the boat, we've got seats that convert to casting platform. Really simply, just lift them up, take the cushion, and just like that, you're ready to get out there and catch those big fish. So come on by here at MarineMax in Dallas, and look forward to seeing you soon.